In this example, I'm going to show you how to close an on-site billable service ticket with travel time. I'm going to start by opening up my ticket, now called an incident, and here I can go and check his solution notes to verify that this is an actual add move change on site. I can see here there was 2 hours on site and then there's going to be a trip charge. So once I've confirmed that, I'm going to go over to my time worked. On his labor line, I'm going to drill into that hyperlink. And here I can see that he did travel hours an hour and a half. I want to verify where this location was. So I'm going to go back to the default tab on my main window. And I can see that this is a Houston address. In that case, because it's Houston, I can only bill an hour of travel for a total trip charge of $110. That's the price. So I will need to change this. I can leave right here that he actually traveled an hour and a half, but I'm going to go into the rates tab and I'm going to click edit and click here in the override hours and change this to 1 hour. By doing that, I've now forced it to just be 1 hour for $110. And if I come back over to the default tab, you'll still see that it's going to show an hour and a half, but I'm now technically only billing under the rates tab for $110. Okay, so once I have confirmed that, and I have confirmed that he worked for a total of 2 hours, with an hour of travel, I can bill this. So I'm going to come over to the main window and I'm going to click refresh just to make sure that everything is totaling correctly. And I'm going to come to my totals tab. Here I can see I'm billing for 2 hours, and I've actually caught a mistake. See here under travel, it's got a quantity of 100, which is totally wrong. So I'm going to come back over to time worked, and I'm going to drill into his labor rate, and I'm going to come back over to rates, and see here when I tried to type in 1 hour, I've now typed in 100 hours. So I'm going to click edit, and I'm going to reduce this, and there we go. Now it has fixed itself. When I click save, I can now close this and hit refresh and come over to my totals and now verify that my time is correct. So 2 hours of labor and 1 hour of travel for $110. And if I'm happy with this, I can come back to my default page, click ready to invoice. If I had any questions about this particular incident, I could click manager review and it would kick it back to who it's assigned to, as well as the manager for this department, who is Chad. But since I'm happy with this time and all of his notes are entered properly, I can click ready to invoice. You'll see what I'm billing pop up, and I can just verify those totals. And if I'm happy, I can click post. It's going to give me an invoice date. I can click save. And now it is posted in Field Point, but I still need to send it over to GP, Great Plains. So I'm going to click the Send to GP button. And now it is exported and officially posted. I can close this window, and this is how you post billable on-site incident with travel time.